Tolak-tarik logging yang bermuatan.
The lumber workers are people with hearts of steel, unafraid of the arduous tasks deep in the forest. A place where only a tiny percentage of the world dares to work. The steep, slippery slopes are daunting to look at. Yet they labor here day after day, year after year. These hard-working individuals who give their all to their jobs truly deserve admiration and respect.
Tapi walaupun sudah di atas, terima kasih sudah menonton video ini.
The feeling of surprise and excitement filled me as I witnessed this unique unloading method for the first time. The massive tank was lifted onto the truck quickly. Though a bit unsteady, the distance traveled was short. This method is both efficient and creative, delivering unexpected effectiveness and sparking powerful inspiration about limitless creativity. Unbelievable. The logging skidder flipped over, crushed by a massive log, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. The transporter's lack of professionalism led to this accident, just a moment of carelessness. But the consequences were unexpectedly severe. Recovery efforts were not only time-consuming, but costly, disrupting all the day's plans. A terrible day, filled with exhaustion and unnecessary losses, all due to a single lapse in attention.
Must have pulled the kill switch or the machine died, and
forget the clean jobs of the city for a moment and join me in watching the scene of lumber workers with an old Komatsu excavator. They face massive logs, tackling rough and treacherous paths with steep, slippery slopes that few would dare to venture. These lumber workers must have extraordinary perseverance and resilience. They belong to the rare percentage of brave individuals who accept this dangerous profession, standing amidst the wild, fighting relentlessly for their work. The Kenworth logging truck veered off the road at a curve, getting stuck tilted toward the hillside due to the weight of the trailer loaded with timber. A tense scene unfolded as the truck remained wedged in a deep ditch. Highway 270 west of Hot Springs, Arkansas was blocked for 40 minutes as the rescue team worked to retrieve it. A thrilling rescue operation kept everyone on the edge, unable to look away. It's hard to believe that the Dozer D85E could get so neatly stuck down there, trapped as if by a snare between dry branches, blocking its way, with no root up. All attempts to free itself seemed hopeless. It took a lot of time, effort, and the enthusiastic help of its friend, Dozer D68, for it to finally escape that cursed spot. A lesson to remember. Next time, be more careful. D85E. This place isn't forgiving for anyone who lets their guard down. After harvesting, large tree trunks leave behind stubborn stumps. making cultivation challenging. But with the powerful grapple, perfectly combined with an excavator, everything becomes easier than ever. The stump is quickly torn into pieces, as if pulling out weeds. This smart innovation not only saves time, but also significantly increases productivity, making work lighter and more efficient. From the very first moment of the video, I had a vague sense that the Gazushka tanker would struggle to rescue the massive KAMAZ truck from the muddy spot. Although the tank was powerful enough to pull the truck up, it still lacked a solid footing. With a light weight of only 3,700 kilograms, Gazushka struggled to fight against the slippery mud, each wheel spinning in vain. All efforts were in vain, leaving a feeling of regret and helplessness as the rescue mission that seemed possible had to end in failure. Those who agree to work in Bishadi are truly remarkable. The terrain here tests patience, as each step feels like sinking deeper into mud. The lumber truck plods along, its wheels almost submerged in the damp soil,